everyone, Lori from Stamp with Lori. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pinwheel card. So you can see that the pinwheel is these little pieces right here, and then I did it in red here with some glitter paper. So I'm going to show you how to build this pinwheel, and then we'll attach it to a card. So what I'll do first is I'll show you the pieces that we need. So you're going to need your 8.5 by 5.5 whisper white cardstock, because we're going to do this all white on white, and then you're going to score and fold it in half. Then I used 5.25 by 4 inch whisper white as well, and then I used the Winter Knit 3D embossing folder on this. You're going to need 2 of these, 2 5/8 inch by 2 5/8 inch each, a 3 inch by 3 inch of the sparkle glimmer paper, and then you're going to need 8 little squares. So I did 4, and I did those also in the Winter Knit 3D embossing folder. These are 1 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches each, and then I did 4 in the sparkle glimmer paper as well, 1 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can adhere this first of all. So let's do that first. So we'll just put some tape on the back, and then we'll adhere it to the front of our card. Make sure it's opening the right way. Okay, and then we'll put that aside until we're ready. So what we're going to do is start assembling our pinwheel. So you've got your 2 pieces here. You're going to tape up the one, and then you're going to layer them kitty corner like this, so that it's even, so that all 4 points are the same coming out. Okay, then you're going to take your 8 pieces and turn them over to the back side, and then you're going to put glue or tape runner on each one, just in the corner of each one. Okay, then we're going to start with one, and the tape piece is going to attach to one of the points. So I'm going to just put that in so it's just a little bit out, so you've got the border on each side showing. Then we're going to take one of the embossed white pieces, and we're going to adhere it to the next corner. Then we'll go again with the sparkle, and we're going over top like that. Then we're going to start with the embossed piece again and attach it to the corner. And then we're alternating, so we're going to go to the sparkle, put it on top, the embossed piece. So remember, it's just the corner that you've glued with either tape or white glue. You're going to do that in the corner. Okay, and then we're going to go to the sparkle. Okay, and now for our last piece, what we're going to do is we're going to put it under this piece and over this piece. So I'm just going to lift that up, and then just pretty much you can line up your corner right there, and it at the same time will line up here to your corner as well. Look how simple that is. This is going to look pretty when it's done. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is attach it. I'm going to put a little bit more, I like glitter, so we're going to put some more of the sparkle glimmer paper behind it, like so. Okay, now what I like to do with this glimmer paper, any glitter, is I find that glue dots work really good to keep it in place. So I'm just going to do that, if I can find the opening. There it is. Okay, so I'm just going to, on the back of this one, probably a better way to do this. Okay, you can use tape, you can use white glue as well. Okay, and the next one. this one. Okay, and then I'm going to line up the square at the back so that it's centered like so. Then we're going to flip it over, and we're going to use dimensionals so that we can pop it up onto our card. Okay, take these off. Okay, then we've got the front of our card, make sure it's opening the right way, and then I'm going to adhere it. So I can do it like this or like this. I think I'll do it like that. Okay, and I'm going to use one of these clear faceted gems, and I'll use one of the big ones. And put that right down in the center. Okay, so all we need now is a greeting. Now I've already pre-stamped and cut these out with the Big Shot, so I've just used my layering ovals, and then the greeting comes from the stamp set Tidings All Around. And that's this one right here. So I chose this tis the season. And then I just stamped it using the silver ink. So again, I'm going to use glue dots to adhere it to the glitter paper. I just need 2 of those. Oops. Center it on there. And then I'll use my dimensionals again. Pop it up. This card can be used for just about anything. It would look great with kids paper on here. Make for a child's birthday party, birthday card. Okay, so that's white on white. So on this one here, I used the gold foil, and I put the pinwheel the same, and I used again one of the clear not the clear, but the gold faceted gems for that one. And then I used the word Mary that was used from the Big Shot. And then this one here, what I did was I used the red glitter paper. Now, did you see how I put the red glitter behind here? I didn't want to use a whole piece of glitter paper to, because to me it's a waste. So what I did was I actually used my cutting tool. You could use your dies as well, your rectangle dies. So you cut out the center of the red foil, and then you've still got like a big block of red foil to use. And that's it. I used the exact same Winter Knit 3D embossing folder for that one as well. And I stamped directly onto the white. So that was a simple card to make. Now you should try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching.